This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Plug the SoundLink Mini into a known good outlet and leave it charging for 30 minutes to rule out low battery faults. While it charges, locate the tiny reset pinhole or the multi-function buttons so you can act quickly. Once done, power cycle the speaker by pressing and holding power for 10 seconds to force a shutdown, then wait 5 seconds before restarting. This clears transient glitches and prepares the unit for a deeper reset if required. Now perform the factory reset to clear corrupted settings. Press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, then release. You should see the LEDs change. This resets software configurations and can fix boot loops that cause the red flashing. If that doesn't respond, use the pinhole reset. Press gently for 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure to wait between attempts and avoid interrupting power during reset. Otherwise, the firmware may remain unstable. Finish by restarting and observing behavior. Plug in and confirm the charging LED goes solid, then test Bluetooth pairing with one device. If pairing fails, forget the speaker on the phone and retry. This avoids pairing conflicts. If the red flashing persists after a full 24-hour charge cycle, the issue is likely hardware or failed firmware. Try using a different known good charger once more, and if still unresolved, contact Bose support or a certified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.